Yafi, hi Sierra chart traders. In this video I will show you how to display text and calculations from other charts as a mini dashboard on your main trading chart. In chart region 1 we have our main price chart, which is the MNQ futures contract in this example. In chart region 2 we have the percentage change from open for other index futures contracts, a few Mag 7 stocks, and the ZS soybeans contract for illustration purposes. In chart region 3, I have added a few calculations based on studies shown in this chart. The distance from the last price to VWAP, the distance to previous day VWAP, the regression channel range and as percentage of the current day range, and the current day range as percentage of the average daily range. Let's open the study settings to see how it's done. We are going to use the spreadsheet formula study and the text display for study from chart, study, to create our mini dashboard. When opening the spreadsheet formula settings, we can enter the desired formula by referencing the chart ID and corresponding subgraph. For example, we can calculate today's range and have the number displayed as text by subtracting the low of day from the high of day, which are located in chart 35 as subgraph 2 and subgraph 3. We can also add another spreadsheet formula study to calculate the percentage of the current day range compared to the average daily range calculated in another study. In my example, I simply entered 407 manually from the ADR value shown in chart region 3. To display values from other charts as text in the current chart, we can use text display for study from chart. Simply select the study and subgraph to display from the drop-down menu in the Settings and Inputs tab. Repeat this step for as many data points as you like to be displayed on your main trading chart. For easier reference, make sure to always enter a description in the short name field. You can adjust the position of the text horizontally and vertically by changing the respective input values as shown here. Furthermore, you can also move the text display to another chart region by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Now that you know how to display text from other charts on your main trading window, and also perform calculations with that data, you can go ahead and use the flexibility of Sierra Chart to build your own customized dashboard. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you found this content helpful, so you won't miss new Sierra Chart tutorials to facilitate your trading and hopefully make it much more profitable.